Hi everyone, my name is sunitateckchand and I would just like to talk a little bit about aromatherapy today. I've had a lot of people calling me up and telling me, oh, I just like the sense of smell, or I just want to put a couple of drops in my bath or in my burner, and that's aromatherapy. Let me explain to you that aromatherapy is a lot more than that. It is the art and science of using plant oils, which are extracted from fruits, plants, twigs, leaves, flowers, so many other ways, and used to create blends for people to help them to harmonize in one condition or another. My journey as a clinical aromatherapist started 25 years ago, and I have never looked back. I want to make people understand that aromatherapy is something that is much more powerful than just a sense of smell or perfumery. It goes much deeper than that because it can help the unborn child to the very old. I am offering a lot of online short courses now, and of course the IFPA Diploma course, which is commencing in 2 weeks' time, which is online. Very easy, very doable, and I invite you to come and check my website and have a look at some of the online short courses that I have, just to understand how you can benefit and use essential oils in a very easy, professional manner by knowing about safety, contraindications, and how you can do blending with the right dosage. So we take everything into consideration. A lot of people are misusing essential oils today, which I feel really terrible about. I'm not sure if you saw the movie Unwell, which was on Netflix recently. The first episode was about essential oils. So obviously there's a plus and a minus of how you use essential oils. Would you not like to try and use something in a more safe manner, something that you know will work for your family and your children, for yourself? I know a lot of people are really tired of going to see dermatologists and doctors over and over, and they just want to come back and just try nature's pharmacy. And that is what we offer you. We offer you clinical treatments, clinical trials, clinical study that shows scientifically evidence-based research done on how aromatherapy and essential oils can help treat a number of conditions. So I invite you to come and visit my website. If you'd like to come and have a chat with me about how to study aromatherapy, I'll be more than happy to have a chat with you. So think about aromatherapy as a bigger picture. It's outside the box, it's not inside the box. Thank you.